Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Coding with Haya. In today's video, we will learn how to code a Flappy Bird game on Sprite. I have also added my two sprites, Flappy Bird and Pipe, and I have also added my blank blue background. Go to the Pipe, Costumes tab, drag in a low position and press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, or click on the select tool and press copy and paste. Once you're done, click on the particle and drag it on top of your previous pipe like this. Drag the both of the pipes in the middle and select the pipe and group them. Set the X 222 and Y to 0. I'm going to start coding from our Flappy Bird. But before starting, set the size to 33 and the X to negative 200 and Y to 0. So then, let's start. When we flat click from event, from look, a show block, and from motions, go to X and Y. Go to variables and create a new variable called graph and set it to for this part only. Then click on this tick box on the left side of your gravity variable to hide the variable and set gravity to 0 block. From controls, forever loop, and go back to motions, change Y by 10 and from variables, gravity on the 10. And change gravity by negative 1 block. When we flat click from events, from controls, forever and then if then loop, from sensing, key space press, I want the bird to jump when I press the space bar. You can choose any other key too. From variables, set gravity to 0 block and change it to 10. From controls, await until block. From operators, not. From sensing, key space press. Go to the pipe when you flat click from events, from controls, forever loop, and await 1 second block and create flow myself block on top of the wait 1 second. And when I started the clone block, from looks, a show block, and from motions, go to X 222 and Y 0. From controls, repeat until loop, and from operators, less than. And what is our X position when the project begins? It is 222. So write its negative value on the right side of the less than, which is negative 222. From motions, X position on the left side and change X by 10. Inside the repeat until change it to negative 3. Go to variable and make a new variable called score. You can do this, but it is not necessary. Right click on your variable and click on large reader. Hope you like it. Also, set score to 0 block under when we flat click and change score by 1 block. You are going good, but nothing happens if you touch the pipe, so let's start coding for that. Go to the Flappy Bird, when flat click from event, from control, a forever and then if then loop, from sensing, touching mouse pointer and choose your pipe from the menu. From events, broadcast message 1 and make a new broadcast called game over. From controls, a stop all block, and from looks, a hide block. Go to the pipe, from looks, hide, and from events when I receive game over. Hold your mouse pointer to choose sprite button and click on paint. Name the sprite Game Over. And if you don't want to repeat writing Game Over again and again, select your text and press Ctrl C to copy. Convert to bitmap and choose the color for your Game Over screen. Click on the Fill tool and click on the stage, then convert back to vector to make a 3D text. Click on the text tool and set the color to black. You can change the font if you want. Once you're done, drag your text a little left than the middle point. Press Ctrl C and then Ctrl V and change the color to white and drag it in the middle. When green flag, click from events. From looks, a hide block and a show block. From events, when I receive game over. Make sure that show is under when I receive game over and hide is under when green flag click. From motions, I go to X0 and Y0 block and I go to front layer block from look under when I receive game over. As you see, now you have two problems. One, which is your pipe is always coming in the same position, and two, that you can't win this game, but only lose. Go to the pipe from operator, pick random 1 to 10, and I will change that to pick random -100 to 100. Lastly, let's code for our winning screen. To make a winning screen, right-click and press duplicate on the game over sprite. Write "You win" and select your text and press Ctrl C. Copy. Go to the Costumes tab and delete the white text. Select the black text and click on the text tool and Ctrl V. Drag your text a little left than the middle point. Ctrl V and change the color to white and drag it in the middle. Go to the coding area. Delete the when I receive game over for the winning screen. From controls, a repeat until loop and drag the hide block inside the repeat until loop. From looks, a show block under the repeat until loop. From operators is equals to. From variables, a score variable on the left side. One last thing is that your pipes will keep moving and hit your bird and you can't see that because they are winning or losing. Even if you win, in a second you'll get the game over screen because our bird will hit the pipe on the backward layer. So then, add a stop all block from controls when both of the screens show. And also for the winning screen, motions, a go to X0 and Y0 block and a go to front layer block from loop. So guys, today we'll also learn how to code a thumbnail on Scratch. Go to backdrops and copy your backdrop. Hold your mouse pointer to choose sprite button and click on paint. Name the sprite thumbnail. You can choose any other title too. And Ctrl V, copy any random costume of your Flappy Bird and paste it on your thumbnail and rotate it. Minimize your Flappy Bird. Select the pipes and paste it on your thumbnail and rotate it. Click on the text tool and write Flappy Bird game on Scratch 3.0 in your favorite font. Also, this was just an idea for your thumbnail. You can make your own thumbnail too. Okay, so then let's start coding. When green flag, click from events. From looks, a set color effect to 0 block and write 100. Change it to ghost effect, and ghost effect means transparent. And the link of the starter project in the description below. Also, subscribe, like, share, and ring the bell below so that you don't miss any of my cool videos. Bye bye and see you in my next video.